I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988.
Here we have a 1991 Saab 900 Turbo 3-door. She's the S Aero model, 16 valve, in the iconic black. Very bright paintwork. She's got the standard 15-inch alloys and a new NCT. Really nice car. NCT valid till 11/23. Very tidy grey velour interior. Seats are in good condition. Here's the back seats, 3 seat belts. Front seats as well in good condition, no rips or tears. There's tailored mats fitted over the nice carpets. The door cards are in good condition. The headlining's in good condition. Here's the electric sunroof as well. The Saab ignition between the seats. 5-speed manual, leather gear knob. The dash, radio cassette, leather steering wheel. 130,000 miles. Good size boot, also very clean. The spare and tools here, and an almost complete set of small tools. Tidy engine bay. Recently serviced this car. It's a 16 valve engine.
Let's go for a little spin. Ignition is between the seats. Saab quirky thing. It's 5-speed manual. Gearbox is really good and tight. It's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Turbo's boosting as normal. Really quick car once you wind them up. Engage the turbo. There's no bangs or knocks. Really handles well. It's good on the brakes. Everything's working. Electric sunroof, electric mirrors, electric windows, central locking, all the dials and gauges, the heater, stereo, nice unworn leather steering wheel. This really is a nice example of one of these.
The price of the 91 Saab is €16,950. A very sought after car that rarely comes to market in this condition. Very proud to be the #1 rated car dealer on TRUSTPILOT in Ireland today. Free delivery nationwide to your door.